Okay, so with all these code pens that we've been making, you might be starting to feel a bit overwhelmed as a teacher. Like, how do I grade this? How do I keep track of it? It's actually a lot easier than you might think. So if I go to my code pen right now, you can have all your students do this. Let's go to our profile. And I'm going to zoom out a bit just so it's a bit easier to see. And this would be the very first thing that anyone who goes to their profile would see. So we've got all the projects we've been working on. And like I said, this filled up pretty fast. So typically what I, as a teacher, had my students do is figure out which code pen we were using the most often. And Codepen allows you to put your top 7 projects in the profile. So if we look through all of our projects, we have quite a few now. So we can choose which ones we'd like to display. So depending on what you're grading as the teacher, you might want to have them put their Chronicles of Narnia first. That's their reading log. And then we can just fill in our ELA code pens like Rainforest, Jackie Robinson. We've got the solar system. We don't need that solar system right now. We can put our killer whales. We can put our Ronaldo one. And then since we have an extra space, I guess I'll go ahead and put this Harry Potter. Now, if we go to View Profile, and I can close this out, then the student should be able to see their most recent or most common code pens that they'll be using. So anytime they go to the code pen and click on their profile, they're going to have these 7 available to them right off the bat. They can also hit View All Pens. But this is good for you as a teacher because all they have to do to share this with you is Control-C, copy their profile or showcase CodePen address, and then they can open up a new tab, go into their Gmail. They can compose an email, and they can send it to you as the teacher. They can put their subject, and I usually have them put their name, CodePen Profile Billy or whoever, and have them paste it, Control-V, into the body and send it. Then you as the teacher, you can collect these CodePen addresses, you can put them into a Google Sheet, Control-V, and that's their showcase. This makes it really easy for you as a teacher to say, all right, go ahead and fill out your reading logs, and then you can go in and you can click on that and you can see if they did, in fact, fill out their reading log for the day. So with that being said, just have them organize their showcase into the ones you'd like to grade, and then have them email you that link to their showcase.